Latin America Roundup, XP's chart-topping IPO, wildlife becomes a unicorn, Softbank backs Konfio. December has been a strong month for Brazilian startups, bringing a big IPO and a new unicorn for local companies. Tech-driven investment firm XP Investimentos went public on the U.S. stock exchange in mid-December, raising $1.81 billion in the fourth-largest IPO of 2019. XP's stock price jumped 30% on its first day of trading from $27 per share to $34.50. XP was founded in 2001 to provide brokerage training classes to Brazilians to help them invest in the international stock market. Today, it is a full-service brokerage firm, providing fund management and distribution to over 1.5 million customers in Brazil. Notably, XP has outlined a strategy for beating Brazilian banks, among the most profitable in the world, in its 354-page report to the SEC. Brazil's banking market is highly concentrated, with the top 5 players dominating 93% of market share. This concentration has led to significant inefficiencies that XP tries to disrupt by offering a variety of financial products through an accessible online platform. The heavy bureaucracy of these banks will prevent them from innovating quickly enough to compete with newer institutions like XP, whose debt products are attractive to frustrated Brazilian customers. The inefficiency of the Brazilian financial system has opened opportunities for companies like XP, or neobank Nubank, to rapidly attract customers who are disgruntled with the traditional system. Gaming startup wildlife becomes a unicorn. Brazil has seen a new unicorn emerge almost every month this year, and December was no exception. Gaming startup Wildlife raised a $60 million Series A round led by U.S. investor Benchmark Capital at a $1.3 billion valuation to become the country's 11th unicorn. This round was big even for Silicon Valley standards, and it is uncommon for startups even in markets like the US or Europe to hit a $1B+ valuation in such an early round. Wildlife has created over 60 games since 2011, including Zuba and Tennis Clash, which have both reached global acclaim. Founded by brothers Victor and Arthur Lazarte, Wildlife operates on a freemium model that only charges users for in-app purchases. They plan to use the funding to double their employee base and grow to $2 billion in 2020, continuing the 80% yearly growth they have seen since 2011. Mexico's lender Konfio receives $100 million from Softbank. Konfio provides small business loans in Mexico through an online platform to help SMEs gain liquidity and grow their operations. These small businesses are often overlooked by banks in Mexico and Latin America who do not know how to price risk for businesses that process under $10 million per year. Konfio recently raised $100 million from Softbank's Innovation Fund, the third investment that Softbank has made into Mexico since launching the fund. For more on this story, visit the news article link.